Are you using the wrong browser? As we all know, today everybody is using the internet, and for surfing, which browser you are using it is the correct one? Let's find out. The basic parameters for deciding browser will be: first is performance, second is compatibility and availability, third is privacy and security, fourth is customization. We will go through all browsers. First one is Avast Secure Browser. It is based on the open source Chromium project. Let's do the performance test. In this test, we will open some sites and see the page load time and RAM usage of the browser. Now we have cleared the caches. We are opening some websites. The first one is YouTube, and its page load time is 1.65 seconds. Second one is Netflix, and its page load time is 1.95 seconds. Third one is Amazon. Its page load time is 2.29 seconds. Fourth one is Amazon Prime Video, and its page load time 1.23 seconds. And the last one is Freepik. Its page load time is 2.45 seconds. Now you can see the total RAM usage by our secure browser is approx 1 GB. We have also used some benchmark tools like Speedometer, MotionMark and Jetstream to test the browser performance. We have run these tests on all modern browsers. For testing, we have used current latest version of each browser and page load extension tool from Chrome Store. So this is the result. In page load time calculation, I don't think the difference will be noticeable, but what is noticeable is RAM usage. You can see the Chromium has used least RAM, which is a very good thing. Chrome and Opera holds the second rank in least RAM usage. You can pause the screen and look into this. As you can see, none of the browsers got the highest score in all the benchmark tools. Now you can choose the browser based on their performance using this table. This is a browser availability table. You can pause the screen and look at this. Speaking of privacy, some browsers use your data to personalize ads or sell your data to someone. For example, Chrome does not sell your data but use data to personalize ads. Some browsers such as Firefox and Brave offer advanced functionality to control your privacy and security. Let's open the Firefox browser. Click on the menu, then go into the settings, then privacy and security. Here you can see standard, strict and custom option. You can play with these options accordingly. Let's check Brave browser. Click on the menu, go into the settings, then shields. Here you can see below these options and play around it. In case of security, all modern browsers provide security, but for security, always keep your browser up to date. Now let's talk about customization. Among these browsers, I think Opera is most customizable. Let's see some features of Opera. We have opened the Opera browser. In left side, you can see the sidebar. To customize it, you need to click on the sidebar setup option. You can see there is a lot of options for customization. To add extension on sidebar, click on Add More option. It will open Opera add-on extension site. There is a workspace feature to separate out website. On the right side menu, there is a lot of options like themes, wallpaper, appearance set according to your choice. For extension, you can use either Opera add-on or Chrome Web Store. It supports both the extensions. In the case of the Firefox browser, it has the advantage of being developed by a non-profit company that does not make its revenue from ads. So I think Firefox will be a great choice when it's come to privacy. In the end, I would say that there is no perfect browser. Therefore, based on the use case, you can select the browser. My favorite browser is Firefox. Comment your favorite browser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, share and comment down.